Hello. Yeah, good evening everyone. My name is Atal Ashok Rao Jambulkar. So today, through these channels, we are providing advanced knowledge about the business process. We understand that how the SAP booming is in the market nowadays, and it's expanding its business swiftly due to these organizations are fascinating with this ERP software. So those who want to learn SAP S/4HANA in details, then this channel will help you to develop your skill in SAP ERP. So today's agenda is we can see that what we have to learn today. What is ERP? And second is benefits and disadvantages of ERP. And third is what is ERP and the benefits and disadvantages of SAP. So we look forward to learn what is ERP. ERP is nothing but the enterprise resource planning. Refers to types of software that organization use to manage day-to-day business activities such as accounting, procurement, project management, risk management, and compliance and supply chain operations. In short, it can say that the organizations that can store the informations, different types of process, and different type of department which manage their data through this any kind of system. So we require this kind of system. So there are different types of ERP in the market which can be provided by the oracles, NetSuite, or there is one also. There is Quora and ERP software which can integrate it, both the business and their process and their departments. And in this inside this process there are informations that can this informations flow which can be easily accessible through these ERP systems. So user can easily access these features or this kind of information through these ERP systems. Suppose suppose the HS requires the employees, how many employees are working in the productions department, how the HR can get that requires reports. So because of the integrating softwares of ERP, they can integrate it, different types of modules with the HRs because of the transparency through that systems. That's why they can easily accessible that employees report through how many employees are working in the productions department, because the data is stored in that database. That's why they can easily access the other department entries. So ERP is now is coming day by day in the web-based applications. So through this web-based application, we can access this ERP through any of the locations. As I said, it's ERP are the software solutions that's only focus to help the organizations which can manage through their business process. And it's also a centralized system that streamline all the business process. And there are different types of market. As I said, that the ERP providers in the oracles, NetSuite ERP, and there is a Scorum also. Now we can see that's the benefits of ERP and disadvantages of ERP. What is benefits of the ERP? The first is enhance the business reporting. After the implementations of ERP, the our business report which can be enhanced day by day, because earlier we can use the Excel. The reporting gets very difficult and it takes a lot of time. Through this implementations of ERP, we requires the report very quickly and get the better positive result. And it is good for the reporting purpose also. And second point is better customers services. After the implementations of ERP, we get the better customers service and improve inventory cost also. So in previous we have to manage the data through the Excel or any other softwares. After ERP, the issues of goods and the resource of goods which can be managed through these ERP softwares. So it can easily improves the in cost in inventory management. And fourth point is business process improvement. Through this the business process also improve. And after the last point is better data and the cloud security. And next we can see that disadvantages of ERP. So only thing is that there is complex data conversions. We can see that in disadvantages of ERP point. And second is requires through trainings we requires a lot of skilled employees to learn that ERP softwares. And third is the cost of ERP softwares is loaded when we have to integrate it that the third party softwares. And next, we can see that what is SAP. SAP stand for the system, applications and product in data processing. Is one of the world leading producers of software for the management of business process, developing solutions that facilitate effective data processing and information flow across the organizations. And it is as it is mentioned, it's a software developing company which can develop the softwares of CRM and ERP and many other etc. It is also a provider software solutions that through that software solutions to business process, they can automate that process. And it is a multinational company that sell ERP software to the business. And through this in this process it can integrate it all the module that can interact with the different business aspects. So now in the market it's largest providers of ERP software systems. And there are five IBM employees that founded in 1972 in Germany, which the SAP was founded. SAP is a ERP software which are developed by SAP AG. AG means is the Acadian Sales Corp, the licensor of the SAP proprietorship informations to SAP. And SAP is a multinational company which develops software solution for managing business operations and customer relationship. We look forward to the next slides that what is benefits of SAP and disadvantages of SAP. So the first point is increase in productivity. So we have to do the transactions through the SAP. It's a streamline process that the transaction go easily, and we get better output. So that's why we through this there is increase in the productivity. And second point is complete features of business. And there is different types of core models or as per the business requirements. The SAP which can fulfill their requirements. So this is complete features of business, and it can be suitable for all business dimensions, because they can as I said that it can fulfill the customers clients requirement. So it can be suitable to all business dimension. And the fourth point is integrations with the with e-commerce also. And five is delivering the efficiency in work. Whatever the transaction is done by SAP, it can deliver with the proper results. That's why their delivery efficiency is very good. And next we have to see so what is disadvantages of SAP. From the last I never only heard that SAP is relatively very expensive. It is true. And second is demanding the high quality resource, because it is quite complicated to use. We have to require the skill employees to learn SAP, because it's a vast it's like oceans. Every drop let's say in this every droplet is a table which can consolidated to make an oceans. That why we require the high quality of resources to learn SAP. This is all about what is ERP and what is SAP. Thank you. Thank you so much.